Okay. Any other retroviruses? Anything that I know about? Okay, so there's others that I don't know about. Okay, that's cool. And really linked once again to the narcissism and the trauma. Yep. Okay. So let's just get into some positives. They tidied for me. Where is it?
And it's not on the floor.
Oh, no. Gosh darn. Okay. Okay, what's the positive we need? Okay, so spleen.
What's that one for?
An imbalance with empathy, sympathy. But the negatives are things like feeling rejected, feeling disapproved of, anxiety about the future, feeling alienated, stuff like that. Yes. So it's spleen, kidney. So spleen is the grandmother of kidney energy. They're both yin organs.
So receptive, passive.
Yeah.
Things like me.
Again, feeling useless and stepped on. It's not mucking around.
That's bad.
And then we end up repenting. You end up getting into that pity party so that they will give you anything that you have given them. Star of Bethlehem. Oh, right. This is nice. Okay. So Star of Bethlehem is one of the Bach flower essences, for the rescue remedy.
But I don't want breadcrumbs anymore. I want the whole biscuit.
Exactly. Okay. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively dissolve my letting physical, emotional or mental shocks and traumas upset and create tension and chaos within me into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively maintain inner peace. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively maintain inner peace. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively maintain inner peace. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively express my feelings openly and forgive others as a means of healing myself.
That's the one I need.
I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively dissolve my resentment and bitterness towards close family and friends into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively express my feelings openly and forgive others as a means of healing myself. This is a new program for this body now and in the future. program for this body is no longer necessary now in the future. So yes, the trauma release some retroviruses. Interesting. Bugger. That's okay. Get the body to recognise them. Release the emotional gear. It will set us free.
Oh, I'd be free.
Thanks everyone. Bye.